Hello, my friends. Well, this is the video you're about to watch. I tilted it a little bit more after I stopped filming because I just felt it needed to. So there was just this little tunnel of blue and green on the bottom half, and I just felt it needed to go almost to the top. So that's what I did, and now I'm looking at thinking of ways to embellish, perhaps a stately peacock on there. I don't know. I'm not even sure of the orientation, but if this way I kind of see that with the tail swooping down here and its head over there. I don't know. Anyway, that's what I'm thinking at this point. Feel free to suggest. And now let's get to the video. Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to be doing a swipe. I am using a glue, water, and Floetrol mix as a pouring medium I've never tried before. It seemed very thin, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to try it with a swipe. And colors, I found this set of DecoArt colors came together, and I figured let them choose the colors that go well together. So that's what I'm doing. I did change the order to what I thought might work. I'm just going to do 4 bands of color, and then I'm going to use white as a swipe color, and I have added 4 drops of silicone to this. I hope that's not too much. I don't know. I haven't done a swipe with silicone in a very long time, and I really don't recall how much should go in there. So let me get this poured on here. I'll put the exact ratios down below. Paint to pouring medium. If I have paint left over, I'm thinking of trying the same mix with for Dutch pour. So we shall see. But I may not have any left over. I don't know. There's an ant crawling on my... Sorry. Bye. Well, I didn't mix too much. Do I have anything else? I have some of this left. I think I'll run it up here. And I have some of this. I better run down here. The colors are rose gold, which is a metallic, and then the rest are satin finish in raspberry, navy, and jungle green. All right, I just maybe tilt that a little bit. Make sure my sides are nicely covered. Okay. Oh, make sure you're... Okay. For a swipe tool, I just found this bit of foam wrapping. I'm going to give that a try. I wanted, rather than do a bunch of little swipes, I want to do try one swipe, so I had to find something wide enough. If that doesn't work, I have some paper towel handy. So, okay. Give that white another stir. And here we go. Woohoo! And I hope this makes good contact. We shall see. So it's lightweight, but a little sturdy. Well, plenty of silicone. Green kind of got lost, except for right here where it didn't sell up. It's very pretty though. I'm going to tilt a little bit and see if we can't. Maybe I'll hit it with a torch, see if I can't bring up some more cells in this little area here. Isn't that funny? It's just not selling up there, but a little bit. But there's not a lot of white that carried down there. Okay, I'm going to tilt it up a bit. I don't really care for that white stripe up there. I might run the whole thing off. I wonder if I should swipe it again. I don't think so. Kind of liking that. It almost looks like a little doorway into some secret hideaway. The white was just Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And I don't know that this paint being multi-surface has some special quality to it, if anything. Well, the green came back. I think this would make a great background for something. I'm not sure what, but it's calling for an embellishment, I think. I don't know that I should bother torching it again. Oh gosh, there's some fun areas right in here. I'm going to have to bring you in to look closer. I really like it right here. And this is interesting. Well, that was easy. Let's get a closer look. Isn't that fun right there? I like that. I like the shape of those green ones. They look like leaves. I'm thinking some kind of botanical embellishment. Oh, fun. Back, turn off that light. Back up and see the whole thing. It's funny how that green is just, it's just like that instead of a band, but it's kind of fun. All right, well, that's a swipe for you. Easy. I will be experimenting some more with this PM, and as always, I will put the details below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.